Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Callahan for the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in at the Hardee's restaurant. This is going to be our Scootervision video where we take and go around on a scooter and mount a camera to it and you get to see what it sees. Unfortunately this month we got everything unloaded and set up and started going and well, the weather moved in on us. We got some lightning and thunder and carrying on, and it was threatening to come raining, so the car show got canceled. The cruise in got canceled, so we just packed it up and went home. But we did get a little bit of video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And, that's really all we can do. When the weather moves in and it starts lightning and thundering, we head for the barn. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out and doing as much as we can to go to as many different car shows as we can to bring fresh content to you. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out of the car show. Let's rev it up them hot rods. Yeah, we can see it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing? There's lightning in the area. I know we had this scheduled as an event to raise money. If you want to donate any money, we're going to push off the raffles and all to next month. But we're trying to look for some cash today to try hospital, not doing good. They're putting him on a colostomy bag. There's things going on. The family is right here. The money will go right here to the family, not me. I don't touch money. Y'all know I never touch money. I'm not a money guy. I just touch my thing. This is the family. We got a daughter. If you want to come and donate, it don't matter if it's $1. Please come and help out. Anything helps. Next month we're going to push the raffles. We got a truck full of raffles. But we don't want to get everything pushed out tonight and it starts storming and this and that. We just want to make sure that
I'm going to run over here and get the rest of the pictures.
he's working his life
And then I'm going to try to get the video real quick.
Okay.
So if you want to wait up here, you can wait up here.
Everything is done right.
I'm going to school.
If you get a chance to donate any cash tonight, it don't matter if it's $1. Like I said, we just want to make sure this family is able to take a little bit of money home. We're going to do all the raffles and we're going to schedule it again next month. I'm going into Hardy here in a few minutes and I will remake the event for next month. And I want to make sure that we push it hard. I need all my diehards cheering it. I need everybody pushing it to the limit. We got a lot of amazing groups here, like the Memorial Day Run crew. We got an amazing run here in Nassau County. Brad has left. We got a lot of amazing cruisers here, like Steve Wilson. We got a lot of amazing people like Old Man. I'm telling you, we got so many good people. And it takes all of us. So about it.
Got it.
You ready to load up?
Yeah, let's go load her up.
Y'all take care. Be careful. Yep, you too.
All right, everybody, that's all for this video from the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In. Unfortunately, you can't fight the weather. So, it is what it is. We did at least get a little bit of something in, but it wasn't enough. It was dangerous. Lightning was popping everywhere, so we had to cancel. We did at least get started, got some cars that showed up, and we got some pictures and some videos, so we did at least get a little something out of it, even if we didn't get the full effect of the full show and everything. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever little bit of video we had. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're at 383 subscribers. Hey, cool, 383. And we're trying to climb up to 500. We're just, you know, little by little, we're getting there. We're crawling up the ladder. But we will eventually get there. And then, you know, the next goal is going to be 1,000. But we got to get that 500 first. So, we're doing our best. We're trying to bring you new stuff. We're trying to put out as much as we can, as fast as we can, but it's been difficult. So, I hope you guys will bear with me. I'm doing my best here. I'm a one-man operation most of the time. So, anyway, that's really all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys at the next car show whenever and wherever it may be.